The Klare bag in deep blue just arrived from the Coach outlet, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Welcome back to returning viewers, and if you're new, hello, welcome to Bag Feels, where I do bag reviews and comparisons that focus on feel, design, practicality, and value. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Klare bag from the Coach outlet. I've been curious about this bag, and this one came up on sale. It was just this color in the deep blue color, but for some reason it was on the website for $118, and that seemed a really good price to me, so I did order that, and it just came in. One thing I wasn't sure about was what kind of leather was on here. I think that the website says shiny calf refined leather, but close-up videos on this almost look like an epi leather or a cross-grain leather where you have the lines across. So I was glad to see that this is very much a smooth, soft leather, because I'm not really a fan of the cross-grain leather. This one is very smooth, and it's shiny, but not like patent leather shiny. I think it has probably just a perfect amount of sheen to it. But let's have a look. We have the Coach outlet logo on front. You can see the accordion style profile on the side and on the bottom. The back has a slip pocket. It comes with a metal hang tag rather than the traditional leather hang tag, so that's kind of cool. We have a strap that I've been kind of struggling with because it is part leather and part chain strap, but trying to get the correct amount of leather so that it's like even is kind of tricky. You do have to fiddle with it a little bit to get it to where you have equal parts leather on both sides. So that's how that looks. It is somewhat adjustable in that you can pull the leather part of the strap up and have more of a crossbody length strap drop, or you can pull up the chain. This is a very good strap drop for shoulder length. I did try it on, and it does clear the elbow, so I was pleased to see that. But I think that this is probably going to bother me how the leather is now down here and it's just kind of uneven. I'd have to work with it to get it looking the same on both sides. But I do like that these are attached to the top by D-rings. So if you've watched any of my videos and you know me, you know I'm not really a fan of the chain straps at all. So I would probably cut this off because there's nowhere to detach it from. And then you'd still have the D-rings on the top of the bag for a clip-on handle or whatever bag strap I'd want to use with it. I think the Coach Klare looks very similar in size and style to the Coach Tabby bag. So here I have them side by side so we can see how they compare. So both bags are empty, and you can see the Chain Tabby looks much bigger on the profile in depth. Their height is just about identical, but the Chain Tabby is a little longer. So I think ultimately, especially since both of these bags expand pretty well, you'll be able to fit more in the Chain Tabby than you can in the Klare. Another bag to compare to the Klare is the Coach Times Square Tabby. I have one here in a size 20 in the color navy, and this is basically identical in size to the Coach Klare. So I think because that quilting does take up a little bit of room and the Coach Klare does expand, I anticipate the Coach Klare being able to fit more than the Times Square Tabby, even though they're pretty much exactly the same size. Now let's have a look inside. I was expecting a different closure. It has a magnetic snap closure, but for some reason I was expecting one a little bit more like this that's on a lot of the Coach flat bags. But this is a magnetic snap. And on the inside, you have some pretty good sized compartments back here, a slip pocket in the back, a zippered compartment, and then a front pocket. And these are all very loose and stretchy. So that makes me think that you'll be able to fit a lot into this bag. And I want to see how much we can pack into it and still close. So let's start packing this bag and find out. So here is my wallet that I'm carrying. This is the Crystal Signature Jacquard Essential Slim Wallet with the burnished amber trim. But let's see how it looks on the inside. Okay, and it actually does fit in that back compartment. I'm kind of impressed because the wallet looked too big on the outside. And if you did miss out on the crystal signature jacquard wallets from Coach, these are still available on Amazon. Let's try, this is kind of a bulky glasses case, but I'm just gonna put it in there because it looks like it might fit. Okay, let's do an EpiPen in the zippered pocket. I can feel that the sunglasses case is pushing on this pocket from the inside, so I can only get this at the very top with that sunglasses case in there. So I'm going to take that out and put the EpiPen in the zippered pocket, which it does fit down to the bottom. Okay, so now that glasses case I don't anticipate to fit in there anymore, so let's try something else. Here is a medium corner zip wallet in the petal pink from the Coach outlet. A phone in the front pocket. Let's try some gum, pack of tissues, a lipstick, and keys on top. I am not expecting this to close, but let's see what happens. Okay, I was not expecting that to close, but I was able to bring that flap down and get it snapped closed with all that stuff in there. So the capacity is actually impressive. It's better than I thought that it would be. And here's how that looks all packed up. And one of the things that I wasn't sure I liked about this bag was that it was awfully boxy. But now when it's all packed up and it has more of that rounded top, I actually prefer that look to the square box look. So this bag is kind of growing on me. I was still trying to decide whether I should keep it or not, but I am liking this bag more than I thought I would as I pack the bag and see just how much it can hold. So now we still have that back pocket that we didn't put anything in. Here is an essential card case in the chalk color from Coach. Okay, so that back pocket did get very tight once we packed up the bag, but you can see the card case still does fit back there. One reason I hesitate to return this bag is because I got it at such a good price. The Coach outlet has the all leather Klare listed for about $199, but for whatever reason, when I was on the website, this color in the deep blue was on sale for $118. And being able to see the bag up close, see the construction, and of course pack and see what fits, I feel like that's a very good value. I think that this bag is actually a pretty good value at the $199 as well. So I was pretty on the fence before I started this video, but now I'm leaning more toward keeping this bag. And of course, if I do keep it, this chain strap unfortunately has to go, and I will just use my choice of strap. And I also like that I could put a clip-on handle on here, so I'll show you what that would look like. This is just a generic clip-on handle from Amazon. I can put a link in the description box for anyone interested, but I do like having a top handle on my bags. With the placement of these D-rings, you can use pretty much any clip-on top handle, which I really like. So I'd love to know what you guys think about the Klare bag. Were you expecting it to be able to close with all that stuff packed in it? Because I sure wasn't. Let me know in the comments what you think. I've got lots more videos coming, so feel free to mosey on over to my channel and check them out. Thank you for watching.